Alrighty, I have my dye ready. All these pastel colors are from Art Minds. They come in these 4 colors. I got them at Michael's. And here I have a 2X sweatshirt. I'm going to be making a pastel sweatshirt for a friend. It's only 60% cotton like the other sweatshirt I showed, except this time I'm starting with a damp. I hope that way it won't repel the dye as much. Okay, so I'm going to do a scrunch technique. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we go. Scrunching it up first. And just like the last time, after we scrunch it and dye it, we might need to do a little bit more. Might need to do a little freestyle work. Will the rubber bands be able to fit on a hoodie? Let's find out. Okay, so I have my sweatshirt. It's all bunched up. Let's go ahead and get started on this. So I'm going to start off with pink. This is so fun. This is helpful that it's slightly damp because it is not resisting the dye, which is really nice. Like when I did this the last time. My blue colored hoodie. The white with blue. Oh boy. Alright, so we have pink. We should see how this works out. It'll be interesting. I have a good amount of dye, so I don't have to worry about using up too much. I figure maybe one side could use 1 bottle, then on another side use another bottle, and then I have a 3rd bottle to do my freestyle work in case I need to add some more. Okay, here's the yellow now. Oh, that yellow is so bright. I love it when the pink and yellow mix because it creates like a cool orange look. Trying to get some in-between spots because I know that there's a lot of white space when you work on a hoodie. Okay. Alrighty, I think what we're going to do is go ahead and flip it to the other side, and then I'll do that side as well. After that, I'll open it up to do some freestyle work. Yeah, cool. Edges. Okay, the edges are pretty good? I think so. Time to flip this over. Okay. Time to get this side. I think it's about time to take off the rubber bands and get ready to freestyle. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take off the rubber bands and I'll show you what I have so far, and then we'll go ahead and freestyle the rest. Okay, I have unfolded my hoodie and taken a look. The back is actually pretty good. There's not a lot of white spaces. This side looks pretty good, but notice because of a crumple, there's like this whole big white space over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to freestyle it. I'm not going to use rubber bands. I'm just going to bunch it back up and add some color where I want. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some more pink on this side. Okay. Over here and down here to even it out. Make it a little bit more symmetrical. Okay, that's it for the pink. Okay, cool. So I got that on there, and now I'm going to add some more color over here. I'm going to go with some blue, maybe a little bit more green. So again, just bunching it up, kind of freestyling it. Okay, good, good. A little bit more, let's see here, pink goes through there a little. Do I need more pink? Perhaps. There's a lot of yellow over on that side. Okay. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's an important thing to remember. Yellow blends really nice with the other colors, so it's really fun when they kind of blend together, so I really like that. gonna go ahead and add a little bit of color to this. Okay, that's it. Time to put it in a bag. I'm gonna need to use a garbage bag because it's just so big. Okay, here we go. Now we let it sit 6 to 8 hours. I have some extra dye left, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a matching bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrunch this up, get some rubber bands on there, and we're gonna start adding some of this pastel dye. It should be fun. It's been washed, it's been dried, and it's time for our reveal for our pastel hoodie tie-dye and a bag to go with it, a matching bag. Check this out. So here's the bag. I just love that I can have a matching bag. Okay, time to take it out. Here we go. Here's the front. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications.